Hello everybody, I want to show you the simple salad like tomatoes, Roma tomatoes. You can use any tomato, but I love this one, you know. Cucumber, avocado, half avocado, onions and lemon, oil and salt. That's it. Why I can decide to red onions or like a Vidalia or sweet onions. I prefer this one because it's not very strong flavor. And this is too strong. I use normally for ceviche or for casserole because it's very strong flavor. I love this, but you know, some people they don't like. This is very mild flavor. And another tip, I don't like to take it off the strong flavor for onions because onions are onions. Garlic is garlic. I don't want to put like with sugar, with hot water to take all the strong flavor. I love these onions. They are onions. That's my point. Okay. It's so simple. I cut the onions. I put here. I cut already julienne long. Then I got the cucumber. Remember that the old time when our mothers they cut everything with a knife, take time, but this one is so simple. I love all these tools, you know. And you cut, no problem with this. Some people cut for the middle because the seeds, you cut for the middle and with a spoon, you take it off for half, you take it off all the seed, but I don't have a problem with the seeds. Or I can buy the cucumber with like a seedless, you know, the very long ones. But you know, this is the stuff I have already here. Okay, and then the tomatoes. I use this knife, I love this one for the tomatoes. I cut in half because I don't want big chunks of tomatoes. I love more like a very tiny pieces like this. Because sometimes when they put in the restaurant big chunk of tomato, they put 2 or 3 and it's over. In this case, you will see, I love when you got tomatoes in your spoon. You see? Nice pieces, you see? Nice, beautiful. And it's so easy. Don't go like me. If you want to cut like this, do it. The result is the same. If you go faster like me or some chef, you can cut your finger. That's not the idea. And it's so simple. Then, the avocado. The hash. Okay. Like this. For guacamole was perfect, but I don't have a problem with that. Then you can cut in pieces. Big chunks. See, I wash my hands, don't worry. I live in the kitchen. And then you put the salt, not too much salt, oil, and lemon. I love this, look. It's not, I put any container there, and then I don't want to put a lot of lemon, you know. And then you put like this. So simple. You know how much you pay in the supermarket for this kind of salad? A pound is like $4. $4 without avocado, $4. And this one is so cheap. The cost of this is less than $1. It's like, okay, put $1 for all this portion. And for my size, this is for me, okay? This size. But for normal people, it's like for 2 servers for like 50 cents. Why you pay $4 in the supermarket and they never give you this portion? They give you maybe less than a half pound. Okay, that's the result. Beautiful and easy to do it. Simple and basic. Thank you for watching my videos and subscribe, and you will wait for more from me.